Ever wondered how websites stay safe from fake DNS responses? Today, we're talking about DNSSEC, the security layer for DNS, and how Cloudflare helps you set it up. For this, go to the Application DNS section on the right-hand tab. Click on Settings, then click the Enable button. It will pop up the value these values should be added in Hosting a Name Server, DNSSEC section, where you have the option to add key tag algorithm, digest type, and digest value. First, you copy the key tag from Cloudflare to hosting a key tag. Then choose the algorithm as 13. Chaussee digests. Type as 2 for SHA. Copy the digest value from Cloudflare and paste it in hosting a digest text box and click on Add. Now the record has been added. Go back to Cloudflare and click Confirm. DNSSEC will be activated within 10 minutes. That's it for this video. DNSSEC is now active. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.